Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Jens Bogren's vocal sidechain trick. Jens Bogren is a legendary metal sound engineer who has been working with such great metal bands as Arch Enemy, Behemoth, Amon Amarth, Septic Flesh, Sepultura, and many more. Also, Jens Bogren has wonderful videos and courses on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. If you want to learn from Jens Bogren on mixing metal, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. All links will be in the info box of this video. In our today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Jens Bogren's vocal sidechain trick. First of all, we're going to be using FabFilter Pro C3 on our rhythm guitars. Then we have to engage sidechain, and we're going to be sidechaining our rhythm guitars to our vocal bass. And we're going to be using here pre-fader mode. In our Pro C3, we have to open sidechain window here, and we have to choose external mode. Then we're going to be using fast attack and fast release, and we won't be using auto gain. We're going to be using a ratio around 4, and we have to adjust our threshold. Now let's have a listen to our rhythm guitars and our vocals only. So for instance, if we're going to be using a lot of amount of threshold, so our vocals will be darken a lot our rhythm guitars.
I was left alone with myself, my worst enemy. Yeah, it's a fun night strength to rise up. Darkness.
But in our case, we have to adjust our threshold, so our vocals will be darken our rhythm guitars just a bit. So in this case, by adjusting threshold, we can dark our rhythm guitars just a bit, but also we can make our vocals more upfront in our metal mix. Now let's have a listen to our vocals in our metal mix with and without Pro C3. So, by using this simple trick from Jens Bogren on sidechaining vocals, you can make your vocals cut through any metal mix. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you want to learn from Jens Bogren on mixing metal, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. And see you next time.